So we are at a new listing on Long Lake, and there is a double deep 4-car garage. This is a nice big lot set back off of Highway B, and there's a drilled well there. You've got a great seating area here. It's a beautiful night, and they've got bench seating plus a little bar, gazebo area, and this is the roadside. So the gazebo overlooks the frontage. We are really close to the lake, which is one of the big benefits of this property. You are right on the water, and this is your nice little seating area. So Long Lake is known for its sand bottom, swimmy frontage, and they have a newer dock, nice roll in. You can just pull it out. It's a beautiful, quiet evening. Highway B does run here, and you can kind of see there's a Jeep coming around the corner there. Boat landing is right over here. Nice view. Coming off the outdoor seating area, this kitchen area, there's a nice pantry closet there. You've got granite tile countertops, updated cabinetry, and appliances. Really nice cabinetry, and it does have this extra pantry area. And then there's a butcher block island that is on wheels, and you've got the dining room area, wood fireplace, and this does look out to the beautiful frontage, and you are right on the water here, so you're overlooking your dock. This has the bamboo flooring, and then this has a really nice rustic wood floors also. This is the bedroom. There's a closet there, and built-in bed, electric baseboard heat throughout the home. They do have a portable AC unit. Off the dining room area is the full bath. This has been updated and has tub shower. The living room is off of that dining room area, and they have sliding door that breaks up the 2 rooms if you were to have company and a place to hang out. If you wanted to have some extra sleeping in this area, pull-out couch or something like that. The beautiful rustic rail and the rustic floors in here. This leads down into the basement. There's a really nice, good storage closet. Coming down into the basement, again, you've got a door here to close that off if you would like. And I'm just showing the door that closes off the patio. This is the lower level rec room. And this has the hot water heater in the corner. And then there's a little cubby hole there. So laundry area is there. And then this is that patio door opened up. Again, this is a great seating area. Everything just overlooking the water. So off of the laundry, this is where the mechanicals come in. Drilled well, pressure tank. That's your ejector pit for this lower level bathroom. So you got a second full bath with shower. Second bedroom with 2 really good sized closets. This has windows out 2 sides. Again, you've got this really nice lake view from this bedroom. Coming out the patio door, this wraps around to the other side of the house where there's some more storage for kayaks. You've got your great seating area here. It's a beautiful morning. So just want to show this clarity. Great sand frontage. This is how close you are to the water. Even at the end of the dock where this is super deep, you can see there's a log down here, but that's how clear this water is. And then this is Highway B, and the boat landing is here. Highway B runs along this side, and it's a nice quiet morning on the lake. It is a full rec lake. Connects to Bass Lake for 230 acres of water to enjoy, and about 8 miles of shoreline. So coming down off the front of the house, there's a stairway that comes down. You've got a little storage closet here on the outside, and place to put your kayaks, a little bit of storage, little buffer here between you and the neighbor. We have what we call a puck skylight. So this lets light in 24/7, even in the moonlight. So driving into the property off of Highway D, it is a split driveway, shared driveway, so you stay to the right. And this comes into the property. It's a nice deep lot, so far off of Highway B.